In this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your Instagram profile link on your Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Instagram first, then you have to go to on your profile, you have to click on your profile icon here. So then what you have to do, you have to click on your edit profile. So after doing so, you will find your username here. You have to click on your username and you have to copy your username from here. So you will need that later. After doing so, you have to go to your home and you have to go to your Chrome browser. Open up your Chrome browser. After that, you have to click on the search bar and type instagram.com slash. After that, after the slash, you have to paste the username that you just copied. Please make sure you type your username correctly, otherwise you will not find your account. Then you have to click on go. So after that, you will find your account from here. So to copy your Instagram URL link, you have to click on the search bar and you have to click on copy. Then you will find your Instagram profile link from here. So after that, you can send it to anywhere or anyone. So I hope you find this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.